Hello everyone, this is Dylan from Mercedes-Benz in London. Today I wanted to show you how to use the active parking assist. Now, I am currently in a 2020 Mercedes-Benz C300. Now this one has the Premium Plus package. So we do have the active parking sensors. Now, a lot of cars have this. It just depends on how your vehicle is equipped. And when this is on, you're waiting to hear a little tone like that. And when you hear the tone, we can select it by just clicking on the P, and you can choose either reverse or forward. So today I'll choose reverse. Now the next step is to put the vehicle into reverse, just like that. And then you'll notice the blinker has gone on for me. So I'll release the brake and it is going to put the vehicle in its desired spot. Now you do want to keep your foot near the brake, just in case you have to make any adjustments. And you'll hear the little beep like that. It's going to go from reverse to drive. And now we're in drive. And it's currently readjusting itself to be straight. You'll also notice these red arrows directly on the screen itself, and that's telling you exactly where the vehicle is going to be going. So it is a little bit nerve-wracking at first, but you'll see this little red dot and it's going to bring us directly right here. Now when that's finished up, it's going to just recenter and we will be all set right here. Now, when we're all good, we can either put the vehicle into park, and I'll just show you exactly how this looks. So, we'll notice right in our lines. Now I did interrupt it before it had finished. That's why you heard the tone there. But as you can see, it's very straight. And that is how you use the Mercedes-Benz Active Parking Assist. Thank you.